The Great Wall of China. It stretches 13,000 miles from snow-covered deserts in the west, all the way to the Yellow Sea. Like the Silk Road, the Great Wall of China has never been one single wonder, but many. Begun by China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, it is added to over the centuries as different dynasties lengthen and strengthen it. Over 1 billion super tough clay bricks have helped it survive for centuries. The wall rises almost 2 stories high, with tall battlements to shield defenders and built-in arrow loops for shooting at invaders. This monumental brick structure